Well, I have a kind of a 20 years background in supply chain, both in executive and non-executive positions. In executive positions, I worked in General Motors, in Philips, and in Marks and Spencer, so in different sectors. I did consultancy assignments for the like of Xerox, JaguarLandrover, some other companies. Before my supply chain career, I had like 15 years in different functions, manufacturing, IT, marketing, and sales. And I think that's important that, supply chain executives have experience also in other functions. And currently I'm on a 3-month break after my last assignment, and then I typically do things I otherwise don't have time for, like being in MISI, for example. Well, I think supply chain is increasingly becoming important in the digital economy, because in reality it's where this virtual world, the data world, where all these amazing things happen at speed of light, come together with the physical world, where things are not moving at the speed of light, and bringing this together is the role of supply chain. And supply chain will need to step up, and one for me of the key changes that will come is that from being focused on efficiency and cost and so on, there needs to be a balanced focus on efficiency and being effective in delivering new and changing customer proposition in terms of choice, speed, convenience, and so on. That will be a major change and a mindset change that is actually underway, but certainly not internalized with all companies. I think the first thing they have to do is providing the base skills. Yeah? I mean, what are the base skills you need? The supply chain technical skills, let it be MRP, forecasting, all these things. And this base will now also include increasingly digital skills. But above that, I would hope they gave a little bit of view of some of the needs of the future, like balancing between being effective and efficient, what I just said. But also really looking at the end-to-end customer value chain as very different partners are involved, and the end-to-end value chains become more complex. So I think that's kind of 80% is the first one, the basic skills, but I hope that it will be 20% also to get these real differentiators in. Actually, I like the program. It's a good format where I think people get a good mix of these base skills, but also some of the other things I was talking about, the 20%. And so I was very happy to be able to, let's say, contribute a little bit to this, end-to-end view and to this balancing view from a, let's say, industry practitioner's perspective.